Don't cover. I wanted to give you a kiss. You're looking so maganda. Hi, Mama. Well guys, I'm gonna end my live. Because, sige pa yung maybe this time. Sige pa po yung maybe this time. Maybe this time. Hindi ako marunong doon. Size bra? It's 40 or something like that. Or 40. Why you send me, I am a model of your brochure? Why you ask my size? Size of my brush. Biga-biga. Biga-biga guys. Pwede maligaw sa'yo. Pwede. Bakit hindi? Remove this strap. I love your kahit may ma'am, may asawa ka na ba? Pag wala ako na lang. Oh my god. Figure size 38, am I right? No. 40 guys. Perfect. 40. I go just like a Zumba dance. That's why I have this curve here. But my problem is my thumb here. Kasi I always eat rice. That's why it's hard for me to quit this run. But I go dance with Zumba sometimes. Did you do Lego challenge? Yes, I have my Lego challenge. You can go to my other channel. I have my other channel there. My mix vlogs. I have my mix. I know. Yeah. I love to eat rice. Most of Filipino get only rice. Rice lover. Hannah Alves, thank you for subscribing my channel. Hannah. Emergency. Paging Dr. P. Emergency. I also love big like that. Ano po ba? I don't know. Emergency. Paging Dr. Feet. Bye guys. See you on my next live tonight. I'm gonna go live later at nighttime here. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next live. Hi Hannah Obis. I end my live because I have something to do with my son. I'm gonna prepare for his lunch. Okay? This is my son. I'm gonna prepare his lunch. Okay? He's refuse. Why you refuse? Okay. So, until there, I'm gonna see you on my next live. I hope you're there. I hope you subscribe also to my channel. This is my makmak here. To my baby love. Let's go. My baby love. This is my baby love. Yep. Isa lang yung anak ko. My baby love. Let's go. Let's go. Kaya nga naman. My 6 years old son. Marobok pa yung bata niyo po nila. Wala. Hindi siya marunong. Hindi pa siya. Mga ano lang yun. Mga hanggang laro mo na. Yung mga tawag yun eh. So, tawag siyang dula ma? Sa ngalan anak? Kana? Dula ni mo?
Robot.
Hindi eh.
Dili. Roblox?
Roblox. Parang Roblox. Ay, saan ang papa mo? Saan ang papa? Nandun sa kanilang lugar. Wala man yung pakialam. Ano siya? Hi bata. Hi daw. Mag-hi ka. Hi ka ma.